Motorsport 34 SIT. Ain't no more magic life, it's Burt life, baby. Yeah. Tune into the channel, man. We got footage every day, man. Burt life season. Let's go.
I went right this time. Buddy pissed me off. I said, you know what?
I got something for you. YouTube, y'all see it, man. Look at him get the work in. He taking it real serious. Hey, Dump Master, y'all see him working now. He working.
He said, I don't get dirty.
Smoking, hoping that some bad
Clean on the floor.
This music is something more different than the weed and the fruit. That's why we mash it. We mash it and let them be working for it. Push it and handle it to the people they can't ignore it. This is for
Got the long studs in the back.
We got swap and go performance on the LS and the stereo.
Okay.
And the stereo. He might even put some 40s on his car. I don't know. We're going to see.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Candy Cobalt Blue. 7-1. LSA supercharged. Donk at Real Shop. You know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out to Dump Master for giving me some information over the phone consultation. Okay.
Oh no, the invoice coming. The
invoice coming.
Look, all he needed is the email.
I said, how you like to play QuickBooks into it? What we like?
Cash App, PayPal. Yeah, my auntie live down the street. Yeah, my auntie live down the street, whatever. Shit.
This is how I'm gonna be on y'all ass when I get my dunk ready.
On the inside, you don't really hear that shit.
You really don't.
I'm just telling you.
Pops, this is mine right here. I don't care what he say. This right here, mine. You see how big that thing is?
It's
Yeah.
not a big turbo, it's a big blanket.
It's a big turbo. All right.
It's a big blanket. Who they chasing?
I thought a person with Wildwood said something. Thought a person with Wildwood said something.